Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to do the calculation for CCTV system, like storage, server, and what is the bandwidth control for each IP cameras and all the things we are going to see. And I will show you how to do the calculation. We will go to this link, a particular calculation link. Okay, I will share the link on the below description. Maybe the project is X project, maybe which project as your name you can description X project as per your project name. And here we will go the calculation, add calculation. That means here we need to add the cameras, how many number of cameras we are going to add. For example, if it is 100 cameras, we will add 100, and this is a new configuration. And what is the format we need to display the video? We will give H1264, and once you define the video format, you will get the normal movement, much movement, and few movement. That is normal movement on the field of view, and there's a crowded area much. Depends upon the field of view, we need to prefer which one we need to define. Basically we will go with normal. Here we have normal mode. Under the standard recording, we can select the parameter, what parameter we are going to for recording. We will keep 720, or we can keep 1080p Full HD. And what is the frame rate we are giving for that particular IP camera? Maybe we will give 12. And how many hours of recording? Do you want 24 hours or 10 hours or 12 hours, like that? You can give 24 hours. And how many days of recording? Minimum at least 30 days of recording. 30 or 31 days of recording is required. Otherwise you can increase to give 100 days of recording. You can give 31 days. Depend upon that. And the bitrate will be variable bitrate, and you can define the bitrate. And if you want additional storage buffer on the storage side, we can give 10% of buffer, no problem. You can give 10% of buffer. Once you give all the input, you need to save the config. Once you've done the config, save the config, you will get the total storage required for the 100 cameras, 75 TB, at almost 75 TB. And then the server which is required is E2126 Xenon E2 server with the 16 GB RAM and all the things. And once you got that, there's only one server required for the 100 server cameras. Once you done that, now your project calculation is done, and you can export this to PDF format. And here you will see all the details, what we given the inputs, 100 camera, what is the video codec, and what is the storage buffer, number of days of recording, and what frames and everything. And you can save it and you can submit to client. This is simple. And if you want to increase, for example, if I give 1000 cameras or 1200 cameras under the same parameter, the server will be number of server and storage will be differ, and what is the bandwidth also, the total bandwidth also differ for 1200 cameras. If you notice that the total bandwidth is 2.47 gigabytes required, and totally it's differ on that calculation. In this it's a easy method, and you need at least 7 servers for this particular 1200 cameras to be handled. You need 7 server E2 server. And the most thing is, if we want this particular cameras for alarm recording, we can define alarm recording also. Maybe this camera for 1200 cameras, maybe I need another 500 cameras, for maybe for another 50 cameras I need only alarm recording. You can add that. You can add that 50 cameras and only for alarm recording, alarm as well as standard recording, same format, and full HD 720p on the standard face I will give, maybe for 12 frames, and for maybe standard recording for 12 hours I will keep 12 hours, remaining 12 hours I will keep for alarm recording for 31 days for this 50 cameras. And in the alarm recording I can switch the frame rate to full HD. If any motion or when someone came, and you can switch, and I can increase the frame rate also on the alarm recording for 31 days. And here you will get 12 hours, because 12 hours already goes for standard recording, and number of days is 31 days. Now if you save the config, you will get the total parameters around 927, around 930 TB. Storage is secured, and the sound server is fine for 1250 cameras. And if you export it, and you will notice that the difference, the standard recording and the alarm parameter, the 50 cameras which is standard and alarm parameters. It's a good tool to configure design the storage, server and CCTV complete setup. I hope this video will be useful for you for designing the CCTV system and IP storage system and hardware recommendation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my video, like my video and share my video to friends. Thank you very much. Thanks.